So, after natin ng implicit differentiation at higher order derivatives, yung second order, third order, fourth order derivative, isusunod natin yung partial differentiation. So, kinuha ko lang yung meaning ng partial differentiation at yun ang pagkuha ng derivative with respect to a certain variable. Kung x, x, kung y, y, kung z, z. And yung hindi mo kukunan ng derivative, you would treat that as constant. So, ganun pala yung ganun ka straightforward yung rule niya. Na kung hindi mo siya kukunan ng derivative, constant siya, which means zero yung derivative niya immediately. So, ang notation nun is baliktad na 9 o baliktad na 6 yung partial differentiation. So, yun yung mga rules sa differential calculus na i-explore natin after higher order derivative at saka ito implicit differentiation. Matatapos na tayo sa implicit, so pupunta na tayo sa higher order derivative at saka sa ito na yung partial differentiation. Partial kasi hindi lahat kukunan mo ng derivative, meron lang specific, the rest is constant. So yun yung natutunan natin sa pag-aaral natin ngayon ng calculus. So yun lang po.